Alright guys, diecastmania here with another unboxing. So you'll see what this is. It actually came from the UK. It was very cheap. It actually sold for £1 and I think it was £1 4 pence, something like that. I was the second bidder, and I won this for extremely cheap. Shipping was a little more, but overall it was very much worth it. I think I should just put this open. Alright. See if I can get it out. Alright, so some of you may know what this is, and some of you probably don't. But, there we go. It's the Siku 1/87th scale Rosenbauer airfield water cannon. Model number 1889. Back of the box, all the specs. Now let's get into the model. Very, very nice, pretty heavy for the size. Some of you may know that I really don't collect fire apparatus, but the main reason why I got this is because it's one of my favorite things to drive in rigs of rods. So, and it was cheap enough, so there you go guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.